Imagine an AI that could read an entire epic novel and understand it, or analyze hours of video footage without needing a transcript, or debug a massive, complex codebase in minutes. This isn't science fiction anymore. Google just unveiled Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it might just change the game. Gemini 2.5 Pro is the latest iteration of Google's flagship large language model family. While Gemini 1.0 and 1.5 were impressive, 2.5 Pro introduces capabilities that significantly push the boundaries, particularly in one critical area: context. Before we dive in, let's look at these amazing examples of what it can do. In this video, Gemini 2.5 creates a complete code for a dinosaur game in a matter of minutes using just a simple prompt. Now in this video, it creates a JavaScript animation of complex flocking behavior, again in a matter of minutes. If this excites you, drop a X in the comments. Let's talk about that headline feature. The 1 million token context window. What does that mean? Think of tokens as pieces of information, roughly words or parts of words. Previous powerful models handled maybe 100,000 to 200,000 tokens. Gemini 2.5 Pro handles 1 million. That's the equivalent of roughly 1,500 pages of text, or an entire hour of video, or a massive software project with around 30,000 lines of code. Why is this huge? Because context is king. With this much context, the AI doesn't forget the beginning of a long conversation or document. It can hold incredibly complex instructions, massive data sets, or entire creative works in its mind at the same time, allowing for deeper understanding and more coherent outputs. But Gemini 2.5 Pro isn't just about text. Its multimodal capabilities have taken a serious leap. Previous models often needed video transcribed to text first. Gemini 2.5 Pro can ingest audio and video directly. Crucially, Google states it reasons about audio and visual frames natively, without needing that separate transcription step for audio. Imagine uploading a silent film and asking the AI to describe the plot and characters' emotions based purely on the visuals. Or feeding it an hour-long lecture video and asking specific questions about visual aids shown and points made verbally, pinpointing the exact moments they occur. Think about analyzing user research interviews. Understanding what was said, how it was said, tone from audio, and what was being shown or demonstrated, video. All seamlessly. So, what do you get when you combine a massive context window with deep multimodal understanding? You get smarter reasoning and significantly better coding abilities. With the ability to see the entire codebase, Gemini 2.5 Pro can find obscure bugs, understand complex dependencies, suggest more efficient refactoring, and even help write documentation by understanding the code's purpose from top to bottom. Beyond code, its reasoning improves. It can synthesize information from vast amounts of text, audio, and video simultaneously. Imagine feeding it research papers, lecture recordings, and data visualizations, then asking it to formulate novel hypotheses or identify inconsistencies across all sources. That's the potential here. Let's make this concrete. A researcher could upload dozens of scientific papers and ask Gemini to summarize the consensus, identify conflicting findings, and suggest areas for future study. A developer struggling with a complex bug could provide the entire codebase, and Gemini could potentially trace the issue back to its origin, explaining the logic flaw. A film student could upload a movie file and ask detailed questions about character development, visual storytelling techniques used in specific scenes, or track the usage of a musical theme. A content creator could upload an hour-long podcast episode and ask Gemini to generate a detailed summary, pull out key quotes, suggest timestamps for highlights, and even draft social media posts. Gemini 2.5 Pro isn't just an incremental update. This combination of massive context and native multimodal reasoning represents a significant step towards more capable and versatile AI. It has the potential to drastically accelerate workflows in research, software development, creative industries, and education. It also heats up the AI race, pushing competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic to respond. Of course, access is currently limited, rolling out first via developer previews and select partners. And like all powerful AI, questions around responsible use, potential biases, and computational cost remain crucial. Gemini 2.5 Pro is undeniably exciting. The ability to process and reason over such vast amounts of diverse information opens up possibilities we're only beginning to explore. What do you think? What potential use case for this massive context window and multimodal power excites you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.